Google Chrome is by far the most popular browser. So in this video I'm going to show you the best Chrome settings that you should enable or disable to make your experience even better. So without wasting time, let's begin this video. Change the look of Chrome. Chrome has a theming tool that you might not have discovered yet. Open up Chrome browser, then select the Customize button on the bottom right. You can choose an entire theme based as in background image, or you can set and specify color. And also you can change the shortcuts that show up on a new tab. Control what Google gets to know. On the Sync and Google Services page in Chrome settings, you can control on how much diagnostic data and other information which are sent back to Google to spot bugs in Chrome. By sending these bugs to Chrome, it makes easier for you to browse the web and so on. But you can stop these feedbacks if you want to. Toggle any of the switch to off in order to limit the Chrome from sending reports back to database. Sign into Google without signing into Chrome. By default, when you sign into Gmail, Chrome also signs you into the browser. This will be helpful if you are using different computers and phones a lot. But you might also want to use Google services without linking your identity to the Chrome browser which you are using. In Settings, under Sync in Google Services, you will find Allow Chrome Sign In. Toggle switch to off. You can sign in and out of your Gmail account on the web. But avoid signing into Chrome and do not link the browser to your account as well. Stop certain sites from tracking you. Like other browser, Chrome allows sites to store cookies on your computer. These files keep logs of who you are and your preference. Under the Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, then click Cookies and Site Data. From here you can block cookies completely, or just block the more invasive third-party cookies. If you really want to get extreme, you can change the Clear Cookies and Site Data when you quit Google Chrome to On. By using this option, the browser resets every time you close it. Also, you can completely block cookies, but I always suggest you to keep it enabled because some websites need cookies to load pages. Prevent web apps from running in the background. Many websites keep running in the background even when you shut down Chrome to keep file syncing to the web. For example, social media sites like Twitter and Facebook. If you don't like this option and would rather sites and apps didn't run when Chrome is closed, then open up the Settings tab, click Advanced, under heading called System, turn the Continue Running Background app when Chrome is closed to off. Cast your screen. You can use Chromecast to cast content from services like Disney+, Netflix and Hulu from your phone to TV. But you can also cast what you are seeing on your PC screen to the TV with Chrome's built-in cast functionality. The direct way to do this is by right-click anywhere on Chrome page and select option called Cast. You can also get this option from the three dots icon on the top right. In the pop-up window, select the device with Chromecast enabled on which you would like to browse window to appear. Right-click to search Google. If you are on a website and come across a word or a phrase you want to know about, Chrome offers an easy search option. Highlight the word you want to search. Right-click and select Search Google for word. A new tab will open and your search will appear. Alternatively, you can also highlight a word or phrase. Then drag it directly into Chrome's Omni box to perform a web search. Drag multiple tabs at once. Most people are familiar with the ability to drag Chrome tabs into their browser windows, or mix and match those between browser windows. But none of them know that it can be done with more than one tab at a time. Just hold down the Control key and select all the tabs you want to move and leave Control before moving. If you are on Mac, hold Command key. You can always open accidentally closed tabs by Ctrl+Shift+T. Command-Shift+T on Mac. Enable parallel download. We all know that downloading huge files using Chrome's built-in downloader is not ideal. Most of the time, the huge downloads cancel due to some issue in midway, and we have to restart the download again. Enabling parallel downloads in Google Chrome will solve this issue. This settings does not prevent large downloads from cancelling, but it will increase the download speed, so it will reduce the chance of anything going wrong. You can enable the parallel download feature in Chrome's flag page, where all the experimental Chrome features are hosted. To enable this feature, go to Chrome flag page and then search for parallel downloading in the search box. Enable this and then restart Chrome. Now your downloads will be faster. These are the 10 best Chrome settings that I suggest you to enable and disable to experience better performance. If you found this video helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.